Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. This week, we're going to be still looking at the paper mache earrings, but we're going to be looking at some Mother's Day earrings gift ideas. So if you want to see how I create the earrings, keep on watching. For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. Hi guys, so this week we're going to be making the paper mache earrings Mother's Day gift ideas. This week, this is the porcelain clay. We're adding a little bit of paper mache inside of it just to give it a little bit of texture, but I'm going to do two, one with and one without, just so you see. So this one was the porcelain clay that we made where we let's say thread in, where we stirred in the cornstarch. So you see how nice, look at that, it's very pretty good. So we're gonna make our colors. Now I bought these inks thinking that I was able to make polymer clay from them because you need to have liquid pacifier, I think it's called, in it, and these ones don't. So I'm buying another ink to see if I'm able to do it. So what I'm doing for my color, I already made this color. One is a terracotta, and I think I was gonna go a light brown and then the clear color because I wanna see if it goes transparent. I dip it in. Oops. And then I start blending my color. I'm not going to show you all of it, but just kind of show you how I do it. And then blend my color. This one was that sticky one. So I'm going to blend it. It's going to be sticky. I might add some cornstarch and then I'll come back just to show you the two colors that I'm going to be using. And this is brown and red. I might put yellow and brown in this one, but I'll show you the colors after I mix it. So here's the color that I made. So the reason why I'm doing this, I'm doing it the exact same as we did, I think it was 2 weeks ago, just because, I don't know, that's fine. I'm gonna leave it that way. I wonder if I should make this one darker. I'm gonna cut half of it and make it dark. We're just creating the exact same earring, but with the porcelain clay, because we want to see if it's going to give that effect. So for these ones, we have to let them dry a little bit longer because they are really tacky. So instead of maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, but you want to check them because you don't want them too dry. However, I did want to try and do a crackle effect. So if it does dry too much, still squish them together with a little bit of glue so that you have that crackle look. Okay, so remember 2 weeks ago we did it with the paper mache, more paper mache, so there was a lot of texture. This one is the porcelain clay, and then we added a tiny bit of paper mache in it. We're going to test it to see if it's dry in the inside, because remember, we don't want it to push down. We want to be able to slice it and not have it cakey so that those colors mash in between. So we want it like this, okay? So that we can see the colors. So we're going to cut that. I'm just going to get a new knife. So guys, for these pieces here, what you want to do is, instead of folding it back together, do what we did when we were putting them together. Just place it, fill in the blanks. Comment down below and let me know, what are you planning on doing for Mother's Day? Are you going to be doing some crafts with your hands? So guys, for the next earring, I want to make the rainbow earring. The only thing is I do not have that extruder, so I'm going to make my shapes myself. So what you're going to do if you're going to try this is you're going to roll out your pieces and just roll it in your hand until the pieces are somewhat the same, because we're not using a machine. It's not going to be the exact same, so we just want to roll them out. Okay, and I want you guys to do the same with all the colors you're going to use. I'm going to use white, light brown, the red, and then the darker brown. Now that you know how to make the paper mache earrings Mother's Day gift idea, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. And just a reminder, I will be changing the free download, so it will take a little bit of time, but I just want everyone to be aware, and I will let you know when it is completed. Also remember, I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY crafts. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my paper mache tutorials next, and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.